Lieutenant Balwant Singh was born on October 1973 at Sasroli, Rohtak district, Haryana in India. He, on 3 July 1999, with his Ghatak platoon, was tasked to assault the Tiger Hilltop from the northeastern direction as part of a multi-pronged attack. He led the team and moved for over 12 hours under intense artillery shelling to reach the designated spur. On seeing the Ghataks, the enemy panicked and in a desperate firefight attempted to repulse the Ghataks. In the firefight, Lieutenant Balwant Singh was seriously injured, but he resolved to finish the enemy unshaken. With the injury, he refused to evacuate and continue the fight, encircling the enemy and killed 4 enemy soldiers. He was awarded Mahavir Chakra for his courage and bravery.
Naik Digendra Kumar Mahavir Chakra, 2 Raj Rifle. He was born in July 1969 and belongs to Sikar state, Rajasthan, to Shri Sivedan Singh and Shrimati Rajkaur. He was the commander of the light machine gun group during his company's assault on the Tololing feature on Dras sector. The main aim was to capture a well-fortified enemy position. When the assault group was nearing its objective on 13th June 1999, it came under effective fire with a universal machine gun, heavy gun and other small arms, leading to heavy casualties in the assault group. He was hit by a bullet in his left arm. After his injury, he continued firing with one hand and brought down effective and accurate light machine gun fire on the enemy. After being seriously injured, it was his bravery and courage that the assault group was able to capture the objective. He was awarded Mahavir Chakra, India's second highest military decoration, in 1999 on Independence Day.
On July 26, 1999, the Indian Armed Forces won a gritty and decisive engagement against Pakistan. In the ferocious battle, many brave young soldiers laid down their lives defending their nation in the inhospitable battlefield of Kargil. Born on August 28, 1975, Anuj Nair grew up in Delhi. In 1997, Anuj graduated from the Indian Military Academy to be commissioned into the 17th Battalion, Jat Regiment, as a junior officer in this regiment. He was posted in the Kargil region of Jammu and Kashmir when the Indian Army detected a massive infiltration by Pakistani military forces in the area. For conspicuous bravery and leadership of the highest order in the face of the enemy, Captain Anuj Nair was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra, the nation's second highest honor. He graduated from the National Defence 90th Course Eco Squadron and later was commissioned into the 17th Battalion of the Raj Regiment in June 1997.
Captain Vikram Batra was born on 9 September 1974, was an officer of the Indian Army, awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest and most prestigious award for valor, for his actions during 1999 Kargil War. He led one of the toughest operations in the mountain warfare in the Indian history. He was often referred to as Sher Shah, Lion King, in the interpreted message of the Pakistan Army.
1870, was an Indian Army officer who laid down his life during the Kargil War. He was awarded the second highest Indian military honor, the Mahavir Chakra, for bravery on the battlefield. He attended the Indian Military Academy, a premier military academy in India. Major Rajesh Singh was commissioned on 11 December 1993 from the Indian Military Academy. After graduating from the academy, he joined the 2 Mechanical Infantry of the Indian Army. He was posted in 18 Grenadiers at the time of Kargil War. On 14 May 1999, Major Rajesh Adhikari was leading the central arm of the 3 10-man teams trying to capture a bunker at 1600 feet at the Tololing feature. He displayed exemplary valor in recapturing Tololing, where he engaged in direct combat with the Pakistani soldier guarding the bunkers. Major Adhikari suffered serious bullet injuries, to which he succumbed beyond enemy's line on 15 May. He was the second army officer to be martyred Kargil War. He died on 13 May 1999.
Hey Cadet Swasti Jain, did you hear about Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav?
Hi Cadet Angel MSc. No, I didn't know. Who is this?
No worry, I will explain you who is Yogendra Singh Yadav. Yogendra Singh Yadav, PVC, is a junior commissioned officer in the Indian Army who was decorated with nation highest gallantry awarded, the Paramveer Chakra, for his action during his Kargil war.
Yes, I remember about him. He was the part of the leading team of the Ghatak Commando platoon asked to capture Tiger Hill on the night of 3 to 4 July 1999. The approach to the top at the height of the 16,500 feet was steep, snowbound and rocky. He volunteered the lead, the assault and the fix a rope for the rest of his team to follow.
Did you know about? He killed 4 Pakistani soldiers in close combat and silenced the automatic fire. In this action and while repulsing a counterattack, Grenadier Yadav was hit in his left arm and right leg.
Oh, I didn't know this. Then I should search more about him. Thank you.
They are men of steel, standing tall in the hardest of conditions. They disregard freezing cold temperatures and scorching heat to always remain brave, awake and devoted towards us. They all are heroes, each and every one of them. But there are a few whose stories have become the stuff of legends. Stories that deserve to be shared again and again. If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I'll kill the death. These are the words of Captain Manoj Pandey. On July 3rd, 1999, when the Indian Army recaptured Kargil from Pakistani militants, many believed that the war had come to an end. As the country rejoiced this victory, the Indian Army knew that the war wasn't over until Batalik, an area 56 km away from Kargil, wasn't taken aback from another set of Pakistani infiltrators. The war was witnessed the death of 527 men of the Indian Army and left thousands of them wounded. Among those martyred was 24-year-old Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, who earned the nickname Hero of Batalik for his valor in the crucial point of the Batalik region known as the strategic point. He was stumbled to death on 3rd July 1999 after being hit by the bullets on his forehead, while commanding a platoon in these conflict areas. Even today, Captain Pandey is largely credited for the recapture of Batalik and posthumously received India's highest gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra. After getting commissioned into the 1st Battalion of 11 Gorkha Rifles, an infantry regiment consisting of Parsi soldiers of the Gorkha origin, Captain Pandey was assigned to capture Zubar Top and Kalubar of the Batalik region as part of the Operation Vijay. On 9 May, it was he who covered the dead bodies of 4 Jawans of another unit who were the part of patrol ambushed by the Pakistanis. Soon after, it was his mission that established contact with Pukar Thang, which led to its eventual capture.
Major Vivek Gupta was born on January 2, 1917 in Dehradun, Uttarakhand to Lieutenant Colonel B.R.S. Gupta. He joined National Defence Academy after completing his schooling. He later got himself admitted to Indian Military Army. In year 1997, Major Vivek Gupta married to an Indian Army officer, Captain Rashri. During the 1999 Kargil War, the 2nd Rajputana Rifle was sent to the war zone when the Indian Army didn't have sufficient information about the extent of the intrusion. At that time, Major Vivek Gupta and other of the 2nd Rajputana Rifle were assigned to capture point 4590 of Toloing Top in Grass section. He was a member of Light Machine Gun Commando team. The assigned area was a dangerous task as it required an uphill ascent towards entrenched enemy post. The enemy at that time had an advantage of height.
On June 18, 1999, Major Vivek Gupta wrote his last letter to his family. Major Vivek Gupta wrote, "You should feel proud of me. I am contributing something for the nation in this uniform. I have won. Being a company commander at this time is the greatest experience one can have." However, the letter reached his family on June 17, 1999, after his death. A few minutes after the letter reached to his family, he was laid to rest with full military honors. Major Vivek Gupta was in command of leading Charlie Company when 2 Rajputana Rifles launched a battalion attack on Tolling Top in Dras sector on June 13, 1999. In spite of the heavy artillery and automatic fire, the company under the inspiring leadership of Major Vivek Gupta was able to close in with the enemy. As soon as the company emerged in the open, they came under multi-directional intense fire. 3 personnel of the leading sections of the company were hit and the attack was temporarily stalled. Knowing fully well that staying any longer in the open under the murderous enemy fire would lead to more losses, Major Vivek Gupta reacted immediately and fired a rocket launcher at the enemy position. Before the shocked enemy could recover, Major Vivek Gupta charged on the enemy position. While so charging, he was hit by 2 bullets, despite which he kept moving towards the position. On reaching the position, he engaged the enemy in fierce hand-to-hand combat and managed to kill 3 enemy soldiers despite his own injuries. Taking inspiration from the gallant deed of their officer, the rest company was charged onto the enemy position and captured. Major Vivek Gupta was awarded Mahavir Chakra posthumously for his distinguished act during the Kargil War in the year 1999 on the occasion of Independence Day.